Hey guys, welcome to my video on how to earn money or be using the Pumpy app. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how you could literally earn money using the Pumpy app. So right now, the first thing you need to do right now is to go to the Play Store or the Apple Play Store to go download the app. And by the way, I'll be leaving the link to the app in the description below. Just click on the link in the description below right now to go download the app. So right now, I'm already downloaded the app on my phone. The app is already downloaded on my phone. So right now, I'll be clicking on it. And by the way, if you haven't created an account, you could use the link in the description right now to go create an account. So right now I'll be logging into the apps right now. So once you click on the app, and by the way, there are various ways you could use to make money with this app. So right now I'll be walking you through the various way you could use to make money online. So right now, for those of you who do not know what Pumpy is just an online banking platform whereby you are able to do transfer, pay for bills like GoTV, DSTV bills, and you can also buy data and airtime on Pumpy. So it's just an e-banking platform, and right now you could see the amount I just made right now using Pumpy, because right now this is the money I just made today using Pumpy. So right now I'll be teaching you how you could literally make money with Pumpy. So right now the first way you could use to make money with the Pumpy is through the cashback option. So what I mean by cashback is, for example, maybe I want to buy a data right now. So maybe I want to buy a data of like 500 naira. So let me click 500 naira. Let me click on these two GB. You could see right now I get a cashback of 4 MB. You could see right now I get a cashback of 4 MB. You could see right now that means I get a cashback of 4 naira. So any transaction you do on OP, maybe you are doing a transfer, you're making a transfer, you are paying for bills, or you're literally buying data, you get a cashback. So from that cashback, you could literally use that cashback to do whatever you like. So you earn cash back from Pumpy. So right now the second method you can use to make money online is through the refer and earn. So the refer and earn is one of the most option people usually use to make money online, if you don't know. So the refer and earn is a very good option to use to make money online. All you just need right now is to go to the refer and earn option right now. Just click on it, and once you click on it, you'll be able to get your referral code. So like I said, once you invite your friends on Pumpy, you get paid. So you could see right here, once you invite your friend, you get paid. Your money is going to be once someone's registered through your link, your money is going to be here. So your money is going to be on this place. So in order to withdraw your money, all you just need is to click on this withdraw option right now. Click on this withdraw option right now to withdraw your money. So once you click on this withdraw option, the money is going to be shifted to your main balance, to your main Pumpy account. Because right now there are a lot of people who are making money from this Pumpy thing. You can see right now someone just got 300 naira right now. Someone just got another 300 naira. Someone just got another 300 naira. So to tell you that you could literally make money with Pumpy. So all you need is right now is to refer your earn. And by the way, if you are thinking maybe how to get people to sign up with Pumpy, so there are various ways you could literally get people to sign up with Pumpy. So you could literally use Facebook groups, you could use your Instagram, your Snapchat, your Twitter to get people to sign up with to sign up on Pumpy. So once people sign up on Pumpy, you could literally get people from Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, as you could use that as your traffic source to get people to sign up with Pumpy. So that was how I was able to make 21,000 naira. You are seeing on my screen right now. That is how I was able to make 21,000 naira on Pumpy. So right now I'm going to be refreshing this thing to tell you that this is not some scam. So I'm going to refresh it. You can see right now it's refreshing, and yeah, boom, the money is still there. You can see right now it is done refreshing and the money is still there. So I just refresh it now and the 21,000 naira is still there. And like I said, if you're getting any value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video for more tips on how to make money. And by the way, my channel is all about making money online, personal finance and business. So if you are someone who is interested in making money because of my channel, I'll share with you some tips and strategy you could use to earn passive income using your phone. So if this is what you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right now, turn on notifications so you're gonna be notified anytime I drop awesome video. And by the way, I advise you check the link in the description if you know you want to make money online, if you know you want to learn the secret method I use in making $2,000 every single month. I advise you check the link right now. Go click on the link in the description right now to go see the secret on how I'm using in making $2,000 every single month with my phone. So right now, this is how you could literally make money using Pumpy. So you could literally make money by refer and earn. You could also make money through Pumpy cashback. And by the way, there are various features on Pumpy that you could try use. If you know you want to get a loan, you could get a loan from Pumpy. And also a video is going to be popping up right now showing you on how to get a loan on Pumpy if you know you want to get a loan. And also a video is going to be popping up right now teaching you on how to make money online. So if you know you want to make money online, you could watch all my videos on how to make money online, because that is what I do on my channel. I teach you guys how you could literally make money online. So by the way, if you haven't signed up on Pumpy, you could use the link in the description right now to go sign up on Pumpy. And again, like I said, the video is going to be popping up right now on your screen teaching you guys on how to make money. So guys, go watch the video. Let's go.